Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a look for you guys. It's going to be a simple look, not too complicated. I'm going to be using two palettes. I will be going through the palettes and what my thoughts are on the palettes because obviously I haven't used them before. Also I'm going to make it kind of a quick glam kind of look where it's quick and easy, something for everyone to do, and it's still nice and glam and sultry and sexy kind of look, if that makes sense. As you can see, normally I always do one eye, but I kind of wanted to do both with you guys so that it's kind of a bit more realistic. I'll just move my camera a bit, that's better. Okay, so I set my eyes with my under eraser concealer and set it with Collection loose powder in the shade 02, I think it is. Shade 2, sorry. So I'm just gonna get my Real Techniques blush brush and just take off excess powder, just like so. I have set my under eyes because sometimes I do get a fallout. Okay, the first palette that I'm going to be talking about is none other than the Tarte Clay Play, and this palette is amazing. It's very versatile. You can use it to contour your face, to do your eyebrows, for your eyeshadow, highlight. It's a really good palette. The second palette I'm going to be using is the 24 Karat Nude by Maybelline, and as you can see, this one hasn't been opened, but yeah, it's because it's my new one. I've used one already and I think the only shade I have remaining is that cream one. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. I really love this Tarte palette simply because it's so stunning, and it's, I'll show you the colours, like literally guys, like look at it, it's just got every nude shade that you could possibly want, and that's what I love about it. So I'm going to be taking first of all my Real Techniques Base Shadow Brush, and I'm going to pick up the colour Stone, which is a cool brown. Pick that colour up and I'm going to place that onto my crease. This palette smells like chocolate, which is what I love about it even more. Just going to place it there and just blend. Pick up more product as and when you need it. I like to go with less product and then add more if I need it. I'm going to kind of also seal off the end, like so. Because I don't want it to be too of a winged out kind of look. Just do kind of windscreen motions. And now let's do the other eye. And then windscreen motions. Just, I think you need to go on the look on this side. Let's slightly drag the brush up, but still keep it in that circle. The key to any eye look, guys, is blending. So you should look like so. I'm going to drag it a bit back. I'm just going to take what's it called? Essential crease brush and pick up June's, which is that colour there, and just pop that above that colour. Just like so. And I don't think, I'm just going to take that colour a bit and drag it underneath. I'm going to go in with this colour here, I think. I just want to open this and show the gorgeousness of this palette. I always hate these brushes that come with it. That doesn't look too bad, but look how stunning this palette is. It's really like, I'm going to use that shade there. I'm going to take that and I think I'm going to use my finger. Look how stunning it is. Wow, look at that pigment. That is stunning. It actually looks better in real life than it does on camera. What I don't like about palettes sometimes is when they don't come with a mirror, because I just feel like it would be a full package with a mirror. Just want to zoom in a bit and show you. And I'm going to use the same colour to highlight. I'm going to show you with less lighting. Now with more. Stunning. I've still got shimmer on my finger. I really love that palette. Next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a bit of gel eyeliner and smudge it out a bit. I'm going to use one of these, I'm going to use this shadow brush, a brow highlighting brush, sorry. And I'm just going to drag that across the lid but blend it at the same time. Just like that. I really love how this look has come out. Now the next eye. And just smudge it out. You can actually use your fingers for this, but my fingers are quite dirty with like eyeshadow now, so I kind of want to just use a brush because it'll be a lot easier to colour. Roots not change, if that makes sense. Just like that, that's enough. Now for the last step, guys, I might be putting in a bit of coloured eyeliner, but I'm not too sure yet. I was going to make falsies, but I thought, let's keep it easy. And I've never like done a smudged eyeliner look, so I thought let's introduce that. What do you guys think about using coloured mascara? I've got royal blue and I've got like a teal colour, and I do really like them. And obviously you can't miss out the bottom. Let me just take off the translucent powder underneath. And this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this look. Please do give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Any thoughts and opinions, please do put them down below and I'll try my best to get back to you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.